What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija. Welcome to my channel. So today we will be installing a unit from Megalook Hair. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what we received in our package today. So we received a goodie bag with some eyelashes, wig cap, and we also received a melting strap in there as well. This is it. And this is our wig for today. Honestly, this unit is bomb as hell. This is a 22-inch 13x4 purple and black highlighted wig. It comes pre-plucked with the strap on already. This is it. I truly just love this wig already. This is it. It's already customized, pre-plucked with the strap on, ready to wear. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Megalook Hair, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today, and I love this mixture. I love this color so much. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. So for today's install, I won't be wearing a wig cap. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig grip strap on, and then we install our unit. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace, but this is what my lace is looking like without foundation. This is it. I'm just gonna apply some foundation to my lace and then we install our wig. Alright guys, so this is what our lace is looking like with the foundation on. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Guys, so this is what our wig is looking like now that we put it on. I really love the color mixture on this unit. This is it. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Today I'll be using my Got To Be Glue freezing spray to install my wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up. Alright guys, so I just finished gluing my wig. Now I'm about to cut the excess lace off, but this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. Guys, so this is the finished look, and this unit is so bomb. It's just so pretty. This is it. I ended up curling the ends. I really thought it would look super cute, and I was right. It does look super cute. This is it. It is super soft. This is it. Here, and this is their 22-inch 13x4 purple and black highlighted straight wig, and this is it. It is perfect. Overall, this unit is just fire. The color is perfect. The lace melts so good, and the hair is so soft and silky. This is it. This is it. The quality is just amazing. Like, look at how perfectly colored this wig is. Like, it is equal on both sides. It's just perfect. I love it. This wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.